Hey everyone, Matt with Joe's Gaming and Electronics here to show you how to adjust the Bluetooth settings on your Beats Studio Pros, more specifically the noise cancellation and the transparency mode. If you have the headphones connected to your phone, the easiest way to do this without touching the headphones is to just go into the little side menu if you have an iPhone and adjust for transparency or noise cancellation here. If you have the headphones on and you want to quickly adjust, all you have to do is double tap the system button and you'll hear a little beep in your ear and it'll change the setting. Now you can also cycle between which ones you want to be included in that cycle. So you can turn on the off feature or you can turn off transparency mode if you don't like that, so that you can either hit this twice to turn on noise cancellation or hit it twice to then turn off the noise cancellation. You can do any combination of these that you'd like. It comes stock just having transparency and noise cancellation mode in there. So if you hit the button twice, it's gonna go from noise cancellation to transparency. And if you hit it twice again, it'll go from transparency to noise cancellation. It's pretty simple once you have it dialed in. You can also use this fun little slider, and you can use the Beats app on Android to adjust these settings as well. Thanks so much for watching. Hope you have a lovely day.
Thanks for watching the video, guys. If you guys love what we do, please support us. You guys can click on the links that we have on the end screen. You guys can buy parts, sales, or service so we can continue to make great videos for you guys for many more years. Thank you.